Alright. So, I already got the fabric off. Just starting to get the handles off. Let's see. Oh, the sun's gonna make it hard. But yeah, it's going. So there's screws there and there. The handle. Screws all along there and there. I'm gonna have to take the speakers out. And then on the same side, same thing. Take the visor off. I don't know what's gonna happen with that light. I think this whole piece comes off as one. I'll have to figure out how to do that. Here's a quick tip on how to get the I guess dome light housing out for a 95 Jeep Cherokee. I had trouble with this, how to get it out, and I just kind of messed around with it. I guess it's this here and that there. You're going to want to take channel locks and pull those down, just wiggle it off side to side. And in the back it'll look like that. So maybe I can set you up and you'll see it. No. Anyway, that's how you do it. That one and that one. Also, careful when you're doing this, because you touch this to this, you'll blow a fuse like I just did. So I'm going to have to find out what happened. You see I'm still working it down. Let's see if you get it like this. You can pull it right off. And put it with everything else. And then finally, be left with this. The other part is right here. That's the plug. And now I'm ready to pull my headliner down. So, I don't really know how to do this, so I'm just gonna guess. Anyway, you can't see, but for the seatbelts, it's a Torx. And that size is T50. Now this will all come out real easy. That's easy. Now you can sort of see what it's like up there. See the crack on my windshield. And the rust right here. It's not good. So this is the semi-finished product of this headliner. Still gotta set up all the lights and crap like that. Let it dry. That's it on the headliner. Came out pretty good. Only thing is, in the back here, I ran out of flag material. So I'm gonna have to do something with this. But yeah, that's it.